Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Al Stock Trades. How's everybody doing? All right. Or should I say, welcome to Al Stock Trades. How's everybody doing today? How y'all doing today? Right? The reason why I'm talking like that is because I'm in Memphis, Tennessee. Yes, sir. Yes, see, or he, or I am. EIO, right? All right. So, all right. So I'm doing my going away rotations in good old Tennessee. And I have to tell you guys, I am not used to the accent here. I love it. I think I love this accent. I feel like I'm in the heart of America. I was eating at a restaurant, and then a couple next to me put their heads down and they grabbed their hands and they literally started praying. And I was like, man, this is when America was great. You know what I mean? This is what I like to see. Now, again, to all the people that don't believe in the Lord, I'm sorry. Okay, we'll go back to stocks. But, how can we forget? How can we forget? Happy 4th, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. And to all the people that are in the military services, happy 4th of July to all of you. Now, again, to all the people that have served our wonderful country, that are veterans of our country, reach out to me at support at alstocktrades.com. That's support at alstocktrades.com. Send an email to me, and I will give you one of the greatest discounts that we have at Al Stock Trades. Anybody in the military, we support 100 million%, right? Not even 100%, 100 million%, right? Happy 4th GP and AF and William. Hello, hello, hello. I'm the South. I'm from the North Georgia. Some of the nicest people, hospital people you'll ever come into contact with. I agree with you. I'm in the operating room. Such nice people, such lovely people. I love them a lot. I love these people so much. These people are so great. You know what I mean? So just, my God. To all the people that don't know, if people that are wondering, why am I in Memphis, Tennessee? Neurosurgery is quite of a different world and beast. Again, sorry guys, I'm on Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is a bit bad. Right, my Wi-Fi is a bit slow right now, so if sorry, my accent came out there, isn't it? My Wi-Fi is a bit bad. I'm telling you, I'm absorbing this accent. All I hear in the operating room, they be talking like this, and I don't know, guys. I think my accent's about to change. I'm only here. Listen, guys, I've only been here for 3-4 days, okay, and I'm already absorbing this accent. I don't know if y'all be noticing, right? But I'll be talking like them. I don't know. Okay, so. I'm having a great time. So for people that don't know, University of Tennessee, the neurosurgery department here, it is the #1 operative program in the country, right? So this program is the #1 operative program. And if I can show, let me see if I can find you the image here real quick. Let me see if I can find you the image here real quick. So let's see if I can get it for you guys. Hold on. Oh boy. University of. I don't know. I mean, I can find you the paper, but I'm see if I can. Hold on. Un momento, please. If I can. Yeah, I just got to figure it out here. Anywho, so I don't know if I can find it, but Tennessee is literally one of the #1 operative centers in the country, right? So, I'll give you an example. They operate 2,700 times, around that 2,800. Johns Hopkins, I think, does like 1,500, right? So 1,500 is like 1,800 or 1,500, 1,600. Johns Hopkins, right? This is Johns Hopkins, right? This place operates way more than Johns Hopkins. And again, when you talk about neurosurgeons, you want experience, right? So anyway, another fact, very quickly. Sorry, I'm like 5 minutes in, and we're talking about Tennessee, right? Another fact is Martin Luther King gave his last speech here called "The Mountaintop." To me, that's very historic. I really like that. I'm driven by helping all walks of life, and more specifically, people that have been historically marginalized. So, all types of pieces, kind of all the degrees I had, sociology, physiology, neuroscience, cellular molecular medicine, and the MD kind of fit right here in Memphis. So I'm very excited. All right. So sorry about that. Now Al is in the correct time zone. All is well in life. Oh, I know, right? Now I'm in everyone's time zone, right? Nice 11:33 right now. I got 11:33. All right, guys. So this video is going to be really great. I should honestly start off with that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to search up things from the stock terminal. I'm going to give you my illumination of what's happening in the market. So let's go ahead and make this big, right? We got to make this a little big here, right? And we're going to be talking about some really important things here regarding the market. So we're just going to go through these bulletin points. And Zero Chops, hello. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Just came in and heard Tennessee. Can you repeat? Oh, you're the only Tennessee, Rob. How you doing? I love this, man. I love how they joke. I love how it's good Southern people, man. Just some good Southern people. Right. All right. So, yeah, I'm already absorbing the accent. I love them so much. I want to be like them. All right. So Powell's messaging in Central leans dovish. Yeah. So he recently had a meeting, guys. Right. Federal Chairman Jerome Powell. Right. And he leaned a lot of dovish. Excuse me there. So comments in Portugal here on Tuesday sounds more dovish compared to his most recent remarks post meeting. Right. And Michael Brown, one of the senior research analysts at Pepperstone, noted that Powell's tone, particularly in his comments about the U.S. economy returning to a disinflationary path, were at the margin just a touch more dovish than those made of late, right? So this could hint that the Federal Reserve is planning to cut interest rates as soon as September, right? So, again, guys, when it comes to the stock market, you got to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also emotional analysis. Someone's tone, even though they're not, you got to really analyze these things, right? Because, excuse my, I got a little, hold on. I got a little something stuck in my throat here. I don't know what's going on here. All right. So, that's very true. For people that don't know, Clover Health is in Tennessee, right? Their headquarters in Tennessee. You know why their headquarters in Tennessee? It's not that they're some dumb insurance company. No, because Tennessee has no sales tax. That's right. You heard that here. You heard that here for the first time. Tennessee has no sales tax. And guess who else is coming to Tennessee? Guess who else is coming to Tennessee? Elon Musk. Oh, shit. I spell his name right? Yeah, Elon Musk superconductor, really good for Tennessee, right? So a lot of billionaires are coming in, especially building supercomputers in Memphis, right? Because of that no sales tax, and it's going to be great for the city. All right, sorry, it's just a little factoid that Jeff here, right on the dot. Okay, so that's good. So I'll just give you guys these facts, and we're going to intertwine these facts together. So the economic data we've been discussing shows that the inflation is falling, and we are on track to reach the Federal Reserve's target 2%, right? Which we've been anticipating for the past couple of years. I mean, Lord have mercy. We have been waiting. We have been waiting for how long? For how long have we been waiting for this damn inflation to go down, right? And we're finally basically seeing this, right? So specifically, the data revealed that the May ISM, May CPI, May PCE, and June ISM, excuse me, prices were all soft. That's good. You want it to be, okay? So we are gradually returning to a pre-pandemic trend line, right? Especially in the labor market. Okay. It's important to know that the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics publishes their jobs report every Friday. So this first Friday of the month here, right? So if jobs report come down soft, that's really good, right? That's good. Again, you want bearish is bullish. Okay. Hashtag bearish is bullish, right? All right. So the latest jobs report here, which was soft, increased the odds of the Federal Reserve's cut December 2024 from 1.5 to 2 rate cuts, right? Which then obviously some tapering happened, okay? So many Wall Street firms, particularly in a division within Goldman Sachs, projects that another soft labor market, which might increase the probability of a rate cut this year. So we're going to see right now, right? And if you don't recall, for those using our stock terminal, which if you guys want a coupon code for $1,000 off, you can see it down in the description. You hear? So we've anticipated that June will be positive, right? It'll be positive for the month, right? for S&P 500. And then, yes, of course, it was. Well, excuse me. Our research suggests. I ate an almond nut because I'm like a chipmunk, right? I ate a little almond nut, and the almond nut got stuck in my windpipe. So I'm having a tough time right now. And that Tennessee accent doesn't help either. Jesus Christ. Okay. All right. Holy moly. All right. So yeah, July we think it's going to be bullish. Okay. Smart money's been going up, but also just kind of the technical analysis, it's reverting down. Now, dumb money is about to come back online, and dumb money is about to take it up to new highs, we think. Okay. Even though it's been interesting, smart money's been going up. Because usually when smart money goes up, stocks go down. And this time, they were both going up. So we think we're about to be more up later on, right? So there's that. What else here? Okay, so yeah, a lot of investors are pricing in a Trump win. We already talked about that in the last thing. And then overall, IWM, small caps, we're still trying to hit these resistant lines here. So I think once we get that first rate cut, we're about to get a lot of money coming in the small caps. What else? What else do we need to talk about? Yes, Clover Health. What's going on, baby? $620 million market cap. Let's go. We're getting up to that million soon. $125, right? So, for the month, we're up 12.6%, 6 months, 32%, and that year to date, 30.21%. Now, I'm curious to see after the debate what happened to Humana. So yeah, Humana went up a little debate, then kind of post-shock. Maybe some traders, I don't know, institutional investors. It's still down 22%, still down a lot overall. Not too much far off from good old pandemic days here. So, approaching. Well, there's the pandemic day here, so let me just kind of make it a little bit here. So yeah, still near the pre-pandemic zone here, or pandemic zone, approaching particularly maybe close to that pre-pandemic zone. So overall, there's that, but on the year to date, still down. If you go to see here on healthcare, we're it's down 6.36%. UNH is down right now 9.17%. Now Oscar's in a different boat of his own. Oscar's up 87.58%. Now Clover obviously can still have a ways to go, given that we have the SaaS business. And if you don't recall, if you go to LinkedIn here real quick, just real quick here. Just gonna go ahead and see here. What do I need to type? I need to type what do I need to type? Let me see. No. Maybe. Hold on. I'm trying to see what I need to type here. Oh yeah, you should read that article, guys. I wrote it a long time ago. I'm trying to figure out kind of where's that CFO. His name is Peter. Peter Potter. There it is, Peter. Okay. So he recently just made a post. Yeah, Valley Creator. Nice. Let's see what else. Kind of where's your post? Here, we're hiring. Good. So this is something good here. This is a financial planning and analysis senior analyst, Counterpart Health, which is really good, right? So we're going to go ahead and do a couple of things here. I have premium, so it should give me a little bit more information. So we'll go to Counterpart Assistant here. And then, no, it's not called Assistant. It's called Counterpart Health. My bad, guys. My bad. So 172. If you guys are not following them, I recommend you follow them. Just boost them up a little bit. We got 6 people following the page that we already know about. These are probably all the folks that investors in Clover and also healthcare providers, et cetera, and sometimes maybe a little bit of both. So let's see the premium insights right now. Let's get to the premium level here. So more employees are coming in now for Counterpart Health. We're getting a lot more employers. I don't see any engineers, but we got product managers, information technology. Again, for engineers, I wouldn't expect them, and that's the beautiful part about Counterpart Health. The Clover Assistant already has the engineers to pretty much have created the product, which means that the operational costs will be quite low. So, as we, it's only been open for maybe like 0.3 of a year. It hasn't been a year. So as we get more information, we're going to get more premium insights. So we'll be able to delve deep into the company here, right? So overall here, I'm hiring. We are expanding our team and hiring a senior financial analyst for our growing SaaS and technology-enabled services business. This is exactly what you want to hear. I mean, guys, isn't this what you want to hear? Right? I don't want to like be loud right now because I got a little peanut or almond in the back of my throat here, and if I yell, it's going to get lodged out. Okay, and I don't want that, right? You don't want that. I don't want to be coughing in the mic. But this is very exciting. Here it goes. It just got lodged out because got dang accent here. Okay, so so overall, the SaaS business, this is what we wanted to hear. How long, right? This is the promised land, right? We're guys, we're here, okay? So if you're passionate about leveraging financial insights to drive business success and want to be part of our exciting journey, so link down below. So I don't know what we got. One school alum from my organization, U of A. She's one of the CMOs, I think. So you can see here, SaaS subsidiary. So let's go ahead and kind of read this here. I'm just going to read it for myself, and then I'll see what anything good.
At Clover Health, we are dedicated to improving the lives of seniors through high-quality data-driven physician-enabling technology. Initially scaled within our Medicare Advantage provider network, our innovative technology platform is designed to put actionable clinical insights into the hands of physicians at the point of care. We demonstrated the impact of this platform within our Medicare Advantage plan, and now we look to scale our impact to third-party experiences via our subsidiary Counterpart Health. The financial planning and analysis senior analyst will play an important role as a strategic finance business partner to aid in rapid growth.
So I'm curious to see what this guy is going to play a role in.
Work with a cross-functional team to enhance key performance indicators, KPIs, and reporting for our soft business, including both financial and non-financial metrics. Build complex analytical models that utilize both financial and non-financial data to forecast operating results with scenario model. Support the budgeting, strategy development, and business planning process for Counterpart Health. Provide monthly budget variance analysis using actionable insights management. Assist in building monthly report presentations for executive leadership, including identifying performance drivers and areas of opportunities for efficiencies and growth. Perform return on investment analysis for Counterpart Health, helping drive planning and strategic decision making. Perform other special ad hoc projects and analysis along with corporate finance teams.
So this is pretty good. I mean, they're going to be really organized. Okay, this is going to be a lot of analysis, especially with their including MA members. This is really good. This is just kind of the mindset, solution mindset, all this other stuff here. Minimum 4 years of financial planning. So obviously, people that come here are going to be coming in. This guys, this is good. Pretty much, they're going to be speaking the language of Wall Street, right? Language of Wall Street. Go for it. Just can you drive safe, please, and get your license? Okay. So overall, here, mental well-being, professional development. Sorry, I was talking to someone else. Yeah, good salary, 6 figures in the area, very good. And we believe the healthcare system is broken, so we created a custom software. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, I have always done stuff to help this, and these people are doing it on a different level. So I'm very confident in what Clover Health is doing. So, happy 4th to you, Zach. Let me go ahead. I got some comments here. I went by there a couple years ago. I think they'll work remote. It's just a place to call home base. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. The Franklin location seems more of a home base. I think the business is operated remotely. Doubtful they have a bunch of employees showing up there. I stopped there a couple of years ago. Yeah, I think it's just for tax purposes. Happy 4th, woohoo! All right. So, what was I going to say? Yeah, and this looks like it's remote too, right? I mean, that kind of corroborates your analysis here. Remote. Well, folks. So overall, if you synthesize kind of this whole thing I just talked about, if you just logged back in and saw, I recommend going back in the beginning of the video. So overall, with the disinflationary period we're coming to right now, it's becoming very clear that the federal chairman is about to decrease the interest rates, and when that happens, a lot of folks in money market funds are going to start stressing out. They're going to say, oh my God, our source of income and money has come down, right? And you're going to have a bit of a standard deviation here, right? You're going to have the top part of the standard deviation bell curve. Individuals are going to be basically coming in and removing themselves and going deep into the small caps. Then you're going to have some people in the middle, and then at the end where they're not receiving any more return, right? It's a little too late for them, right? So, Sutter Chops, I got the shirt. However, it is being delivered. Again, I'm traveling in Tennessee. My significant other is going to have it on my desk when I arrive back to Arizona, right? She's going to have it right on my desk. And I can't wait to show off this amazing, things you got me. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Sorry, I had you submit it there because I didn't want it sitting outside of the front porch and then what, get stolen, and then I'm going to be crying like a little baby. So yeah, no, I can't wait to wear the shirts and everything, man. I'm really excited, man. By the way, shout out to Soda Chops. He sent me a shirt, a Clover Health shirt that he made personally. Huh? No. And then all this other stuff here. And yeah, so I want to show it off when I get back home in Arizona. So overall, guys, I'm very, very bullish on Clover, of course. We could go ahead and talk here. Let me just kind of zoom in here because it's hard to see sometimes. So let me just go ahead and talk to the stock terminal here. And let me just say, can you please help me find the commands for the support and resistance? Again, guys, we have artificial intelligence supporting us, right? Of course, to find support and resistance levels, you can do the SR level symbol. So let's go ahead and do this here and go ahead and look at Clover. Let's look at the minute. Okay. So already very clear. All right. Sorry about that. Just the door. Okay. So as you can see here, we're hovering right now on the 1 minute chart between 123 and 133. We're kind of battling this out. We got a bunch of, just, we tried it and then we failed. We crossed, right? We crossed twice. So we're in this area. They try to kind of push us down here, but right now we're about to potentially start going up to new highs again. So there's that. And it couldn't come at a better time. I think earnings is next month, right? So there's that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the day. Again, this is all part of our stock terminal, okay? So yeah, so that 120. So we're getting some strong support here on the day. Let's go ahead and update it now to the week. And let's see what's going on here, right? So there it is now. So we're touching next to that. So that 137, guys, that 137 is going to be kind of the bridging point, and then we're going to get other ones too. What else do I want to talk about? Oh yeah. Let me see. No, that's not it. Let's see. Earnings. One moment here. I wrote down the command. Sometimes, guys, I forget the commands because I forget them a lot. So because I'm learning a lot as I'm talking to you guys, so my brain's a little bit kind of jammed up from all the stuff I have to learn. So this is the command right here. No, wait, is this a command? Oh yeah, here I found it. There it is. OP stat. It's just kind of a weird one, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just kind of weird. So this is going to show us the next earnings, like how much. So yeah. So last earnings move, Clover went up 17.65%. Next earnings move, it's expected to go up 10.43%. And as we get closer, and the options chain kind of basically gives us the analysis with implied volatility and all this other stuff here. So we're going to go ahead and kind of get a plus or minus effect here, and then average of kind of how much it's going to go up in the next earnings move run, which is great to have, especially for day traders and all the other stocks that again, all the 2.5 billion outputs that you guys have. So let's go ahead and talk to our stock terminal again real quick, and please give me the command that uses artificial intelligence. So let's see, artificial intelligence, AI prediction. So there it is. Here's our artificial. So here, I recommend using the AI prediction for insights generated using artificial intelligence, provides valuable predictions based on advanced algorithms and data analysis. So we have that, of course, pretty cool. This one, we'll copy this one right here. Obviously, symbol we're going to delete. We're going to go ahead and use Clove. Oh yeah, this is different. This uses this uses the options chain. We don't really have a lot of options, like Apple's bullish, right? But if you look at AMC, probably not, right? But I'm talking about another one, right? I'm talking about the artificial intelligence one that uses a simulation like Monte Carlo. I don't know. Doesn't seem to find it here. Let me see if I can find it myself. Maybe I'm calling it wrong. It's called the Monte Carlo simulation. Oh yeah, stimulated. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I remember this. We should say this. Give me the command that projects price projections. Let's see if it does it. There it is. Here it is. Found it. So we go here. We type in Clove. So let's see. Oh shoot, guys! You see now? So whenever you see the AI do this, it means that there's obviously been a change and it's redirecting itself now, because this is all like, this shows you right now the algorithms are changing. The algorithms are changing for Clover. Not too far off, and of course the algorithm's been changing. Which is, look what happened. I mean, how long have they had this? I mean, look at this complete barcode here. I get why retail investors are kind of upset. I mean, look at this. October 13 to February 15, 2024. We've just been barcode all around this dollar region. Barcode. And then we literally just kind of pooped our brains out here. We just pooped everything. And then now we're back. So the algorithm now has obviously changed, right? I mean, it's right now up 90%. There it is. It's up like, oh, no, I'm sorry. It's up 101%. See that? So pretty good. Algorithm. What's that? Can you take a look at crowdfund capital? Come on our platform and take a look at it and share it with the group. You know what I mean? We have access to all this other stuff. You know what I mean? So yeah, we always like to bring on more members and create this community, right? So yeah, come on down and we'll love to have you. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you. You know what I mean? This is pretty, thank you for joining me. Happy 4th of July. I love you guys a lot. I'm going to get to work now. It's 4th of July though, but I still have to get work done. I have to, study, right? Cuz I'm learning. I'm always learning, right? And I'm happy. I'm very happy right now. I'm very happy and I'm very excited, and I get to take care of rich patients. I got to take care of average patients, and I get to take care of my favorite, which is poor patients. I know you're not supposed to have favorites, but I do. I like to take care of the poor, but obviously I provide the same health care whether you're rich or poor. I may spend a little extra time for the poor because they need it, right? Because they don't have a lot and they have sometimes a little bit more problems. So I spend a little bit more time with them. Bro, your name is your name is Al. Al, what is oh man. What is Gorman? Algorithm? Algorithm. Oh my god, I'm such a stupid head. I'm a stupid head. Send me a message letting me know you got the shirts when you receive them. Thanks for what you do. Hey, Sitter Chops, I'm so excited, dude. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for the shirts. I can't wait. So I think right now they should be on my desk in Arizona. I'm in Tennessee now. So once I get to Arizona, I can't wait to open them up. And man, I really appreciate it, man. I mean, shout out to I can't even. Sorry, Critter Chops here. Sorry, I got a little almond in my nut. I'm sorry. I got a little almond in my throat. Jesus, I can't even talk. I got an almond in my nut, right? That makes sense. That's how you know this videos are live, right? There's no editing done here, right? So, God bless you guys. Happy 4th of July. And I'm not going to lie to you guys. Going down to the South here, it really makes me want to go to church. For some reason, I want to go to church. Like, I don't know why. I just want to go on Sundays. I want to pray with these people. These people are so nice. I love them a lot. I don't know. I like these people. They're very good people. So, yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. I'm enjoying my time, and I just had some bribs too. I had some at the goal. What's it called? Germantown Commissary. Let me show you. Germantown Commissary. Man, you guys haven't seen a place like this. This is a real America right here. I wish they can give me the vibe. Let's look at the vibe before we get to the food. So let's kind of go here. So look at these online photos here. Just when you enter, you can look at the history. So beautiful, guys. Let me show you the people here. So people here and here. So it's a little beautiful diner. They got some cheese. Is that cheese? No, that's some eggs. I had that. What else? I got to show you the food. Let me just show you the rest of the ambiance here. I love places with culture, and this place is one of them. This is how it looks like on the inside. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I think that's one of the owners. Let me show you the food. The food is to die for. It's Southern food. It's soul food, right? So look at those ribs. That's not butter. I was scared it was butter. No, it's just bread. It's cornbread. I think it's cornbread. I don't know. Some nice beans. Look at that, right? These are one of the best ribs in Tennessee. Some fried food, because you got to have your fried food, right? Some cheese, all that good stuff. Guys, just look at that meat. I don't know. I don't like to eat this every day. I had it, but I think my most enjoyable part, if I have to say, is the servers that served me at that location. It was an honor to tip them, right? I have to say, I don't want to put Arizona down, but when I go out in Arizona, I'm not really happy because you can see the servers are not happy. And the reason why the servers are not happy is because Arizona's prices have gone up through the roof, which sucks. You know what I mean? For me, it's just, I used to be a server. I used to be a cashier. I used to be all those things, right? I started from the bottom, right? So when I was ordering here, you can tell when the server's happy. The server was very happy. That southern western, it's just that southern vibe and that southern attitude is welcoming, is humbling, and it's just I just want to hug them. It's just I don't know. I'm just very happy. So it's just very 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 nice people. They're like praying before they eat. I was sitting over there. The people that were praying were sitting right here, and they're just some good group, just very good people. So so shout out to Tennessee. For all the people that watch the channel that are from Tennessee, thank you for making this a wonderful place. And yeah, I'm having a great time. And it's an honor to take care of your patients. It's an honor to take care of patients of this city. And I'm very proud and honored to provide them the best care possible. I came from Mayo Clinic for a year, so I learned how to provide some really cool care. So it's nice to provide it here, right? So, all right, guys. I love each and every one of you. And I will see you on the next one.